Hello everyone, my name is Serious Monkey and welcome to 8 useful PlayStation 4 tips. Let's get started. This is what most people do when they get an invitation to a party chat. Once the notification pops up, they press the PS button, then hit join, and the PS4 will load until they have joined the party. This takes a while, depending on how slow the PS4 is. Here comes the first tip. As soon as you've pressed join, instead of waiting, press the PS button again and get back to your game by pressing X. Your PS4 will join the party chat in the background, and once it's done, you'll simply get a notification. The next tip is a faster way to set up a party chat and invite your friends to it. Typically, you would select Party from the function screen, create a party, and after that, invite your friends. Again, depending on your PS4, this may take quite some time. Instead of doing it that way, take the following steps. Open up your quick menu by pressing and holding the PS button on your controller. After that, go to Friends, select the 3 dots next to your friend's gamertag and press Chat in Party. This will create a party chat and invite your friend at the same time. The best part is that all of this is done in the background. Tip number 3. Make sure you make use of the quick menu. Press and hold the PS button on your controller to display the quick menu and access specific features like friends, power, and music. By selecting Customize, you can also choose the features that appear on your quick menu and sort them after your liking. As I've shown you before, I use the Party feature to create party chats, Friends feature to see who's online, or the Music feature to control the music playback. The advantage is that you can benefit from all the features without ever leaving your game. There is an example of another very useful feature later in this video. Tip number 4. Unlike PC games, many PS4 titles don't allow you to configure the button layout. On Call of Duty Warzone, for example, you're only allowed to choose from various button layout presets. However, there is a workaround which works in every single game. Here's how it's done. Go to Settings, select Accessibility, and scroll down to Button Assignments. These settings enable you to change controller button assignments to your liking. You could, for example, remap the up arrow to the down arrow. The only buttons that cannot be remapped are the Start, PS and Share buttons, as well as the touchpad. Once you've finished, be sure to select Confirm and to check the box Enable Custom Button Assignments. Now the best part is that there is also an accessibility feature in the quick menu. I use custom button assignments in Call of Duty, but not in other games. So instead of navigating through the settings menu every time I switch from COD to another game, I can simply enable or disable my custom button assignments in the quick menu. Tip number 5. Many games need to be updated regularly. In some cases, the updates are huge and take you multiple hours to download and install. So my next tip is to connect your PS4 to the internet while in rest mode. To do so, go to the Settings menu, scroll down to Power Saving Settings, and select Set Features Available in Rest Mode. Now check the box Stay Connected to the Internet and your PS4 will download update files and content while in rest mode. The next time you come home, the update will already be downloaded and you'll be ready to game right away. My next tip is to increase your typing speed on the PS4. As you may have experienced, writing a message with the DualShock 4 can be a tedious task. So instead, simply connect a keyboard to PS4. You can type a lot faster and even use keyboard shortcuts like Select All or Copy Paste. There is also another way to type faster than with the DualShock 4, which is with your smartphone. All you need to do is download the PlayStation app, which is available to both Android and iOS users. After connecting to your PSN account, select the Friends tab and send them PlayStation messages directly from your smartphone. Did you know that you can play your PS4 games on your PC or on your smartphone? Well, to do so, install PS4 Remote Play, which lets you access your PS4 wherever you go. However, you need to have a solid internet connection. This is not intended for fast-paced online games like Call of Duty or Rocket League. but rather casual games, as there can be a great deal of input lag. There is also another thing you could use it for, and that is streaming. With Streamlabs OBS, you can capture the PS4 footage in the Remote Play app and stream it directly to Twitch or YouTube, for example. Again, you need a fast internet connection, and in this case, a good PC as well. As you can see, I haven't got a very powerful PC, which is why it lags so much. My last tip is to activate the HDMI device link. In order to do so, go to Settings, scroll down to System, and check the box Enable HDMI device link. Firstly, this allows you to turn on your TV or monitor without using the remote control. By starting your PS4, your TV or monitor will also turn on automatically. Secondly, you can now control your PS4 with the remote of your TV. This can be useful for media consumption like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Twitch, etc. But note that it doesn't work on every TV. I hope that you have enjoyed the video and that I could help you in some way. For any question or suggestion, please refer to the comment section below. Thank you for watching.